fire things. So.
Yeah.
4:15. 5:15.
And then followed by Dawn.
Let me see what else.
Right.
Never been able to get him.
Who?
Captain Hook.
Captain Hook. There's Captain Hook and Mr. Schmidt.
Jukers, go take a picture with Tom.
3 cruisers, and we finally got him.
With our pirate dudes here. We are on pirate night now.
Go take a picture with Tom.
Hey guys, we just
Got us a picture.
tonight is pirate night. If you can't see by our shirts, we just took some pictures. We're filling up our frame here, picture frame here. Yeah, we came back from the boat or from Castaway Key. We played in the water. We also did a little bit of shopping on Castaway Key, and then we also came back, went on the aqueduct a couple times, played in the pool, and then went to take showers and take pictures with Mr. Smee and Donald Duck. And so now we're gonna take family pirate pictures, then head over to Animator's Palette for dinner tonight.
But there was one downfall.
Was that?
They canceled.
Oh, they canceled the Stinger. Yeah, I saw that earlier.
We're not even aware of it.
Yeah, we didn't
until
know.
we got there.
So that kind of sucked. But the boys had a lot of fun. They're sitting right there in the window, chilling.
I thought
Smiling, having a good time. We're already moving. We're in the ocean already. And yeah. Hey guys, we are at Animator's Palette again. Tonight is pirate night. So we're gonna eat. You guys can see all around us. There's pirate pictures all over the ship, or all over this. We're eating some bread right now. I'm gonna get our grub on. Drinks right here, looking yummy.
Huh?
Yours lights up. Yeah. Is it yummy?
Yummy? I'll ask them for a straw. Maybe they can give you a straw, okay? Tastes good?
Yeah. Good. Very limoncillo. Let me ask him for a straw. I told you already.
You guys, I've been forgetting to show you what we've been eating, but tonight's pirate night, so we're eating this. It's what is this? Captain Jack Sparrow something or other.
Over here.
There is chicken tenders for the boys.
Thank you.
But where be my manners? Guess I have to miss me skin. Anywho, you sure are, Minnie. Okay, me too. Well then, if the crew all accounted for, I say, away we go!
Come, ye daring young buccaneers, come and capture your treasures. Sail with us on the seven seas and find your richest reward.
Live the dream, find the world filled with gold beyond measure. Bid farewell to your land of prince and maybe climb aboard.
Away, 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 come in the night, the light we have. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you. Come on, you pagan buccaneers, come in the light, the pirates light, the land, the land, the land, the land, come in the light beyond. We will swimming in sand, not just far along. Away, 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 come in the light beyond.
Now in true pirate spirit, we need you all to sing and dance along with us. Just do as we do.
Aye, and the next time the chorus comes along, sing it with us. Pirate Minnie. Oh, thank you. When you see Tortuga's coast, oh, you're gonna be smiling. The song, the lights, there's so much to behold. Sail with us on the westward wind, see the beautiful islands. Sail with us and we'll cross the earth in search of silver and gold.
Sing!
Away, 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 come in the light, the light we are. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you. Come on, the pagan buccaneers, come in the light, the pirates light, the land, the land, the land.
hit by that cannonball.
Those rats!
Abandon your station or prepare to taste cold steel! Stand here, keep you walking the plank!
Now for driving, please give a big Disney dream welcome to the new captain of this here ship. All the way from Neverland, it's Captain Hook!
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Excuse me, status report.
Aye, Captain. All loose ends are tied up, so to speak. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy!
What's the matter, former captain? That got your tongue?
Now listen here, Hook. You may have the upper hand.
Oh?
Hook. But this is our ship, and I intend to get it back with a captain's challenge.
Lost that pirate gun. No, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
Agreed.
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds,
We get the ship back. And you will leave hearing all of us chant, Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish.
Hook is a codfish. Hook is a codfish. What? Too soon?
Do we have an agreement?
agreed.
Well, then I say that the captain's challenge officially begin. Now remember, you are all now part of Mickey. Hook is a codfish. Hook is a codfish.
Now see here, that's not very nice. Captain does ask you to stop. Now listen, Captain. That's Captain Neverland. Now, which direction is we can eat.
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'd say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew.
Three cheers for our new crew.
Hey guys, we are in the spa right now. It's called the Rainforest Spa. They have these cool chairs. Nobody's here, guys, except Edgar. Babe. Anyways, they're heated ceramic chairs. And then outside, you can't tell, but they have 2 jacuzzi tubs outside. And they face the ocean. The front of the boat, they face the ocean, but you can't see because it's dark right now. So you guys can see me. I'm laying on the chair. You kind of see there's a jacuzzi right there. There's the openings. And then out there's the spa. And then they have just the so the rainforest has like, what is it? Like steam rooms and then like rain shower spas and stuff. I think you can get like a day pass on the Dream and the Wonder are 2 different ones. They have 2 different rainforest rooms, but they're similar, but
they don't have a jacuzzi on the Wonder. And the size is smaller on the Wonder. But it's like $39 a day?
No, $16.99.
$16.99 a day. A person. So, I mean, if you want to try it out, definitely try it out. I wouldn't, like, I would try it out once just to see if you like it, if you're into stuff like that. If not, I would splurge on a massage or something of the sort. What do you think, babe?
What?
Would you get it again, or would you splurge on a massage?
Probably a massage. I mean, this chair is probably the best thing, but other than that, I mean,
Yeah.
the jacuzzi, you already comes in the bowl.
Yeah.
So, you don't have to pay more for it. You already get it coming to it. I'm not recording. No. How's it feeling?
Tired.
Well, the kids are at the Oceaneer lab. What are you doing?
Sitting outside the Oceaneer lab, looking at them.
I know, enjoying it. I mean, the thing is because, I mean, you're going to go to the pirate thing, but it's like, you see them having a good time, so you kind of don't want to interrupt it. While you're sitting yourself in it yourself.